Another idea regarding projectile is maximum height of the projectile. We know that when time is Tm, that is u sine theta by g, the projectile reaches the maximum height. So we can calculate what will be the maximum height covered by the projectile using that equation. The maximum height in the y direction is marked as y itself, u sine theta t minus half gt square. This is the distance covered by the projectile in the upward direction. This is the vertical distance, which is called the height of the projectile. So maximum height we represent as hm, h suffix m. So y is equal to u sine theta t minus half gt square. In that t becomes tm, then the height is maximum height. So again that also we substitute this tm from the old equation u sine theta by g, we substitute it here, then we get tm is equal to u sine theta by g. Here also tm we substitute squaring, you get u square sine square theta by g minus half u square sine square theta by g. So this is like u square sine square theta, if you take u square sine square theta by g, if you take outside, here is 1 minus half. 1 minus half is again half. So you get the equation for maximum height u square sine square theta by 2g. So this is the equation for the maximum height. So remember the idea we have used is during maximum height the time is Tm. Another one idea we need is horizontal range of projectile. Horizontal range means the distance covered by the projectile in the horizontal direction. You throw the body from one point in the x direction, how much distance it covers. That is horizontal range. This horizontal range is the distance traveled during the complete time of flight. So you throw this body, it comes back to the ground. The time traveled by the body is the time of flight. So the horizontal distance covered by the projectile in the time of flight is what? Horizontal range, represented as capital R. So when t is tf, the x distance covered is what? Horizontal range. X distance was u cos theta into t, so there you substitute t as a tf to u sin theta by g, you get the horizontal range as u square sine 2 theta by g. From this it's clear that for a given initial velocity, if you throw a body, it covers maximum range when theta is 45. Why theta is 45 is when theta is 45, sine 2 theta becomes sine 90, that is a maximum value of sine theta. So this term sine 2 theta becomes 1 for an angle 45. So the range is maximum as u square by g. So the maximum horizontal range is represented as Rm, and that is equal to u square by g.